Hi guys, it's Miss Elise. Welcome to a bonus video for Magical Academy where I will show you how to construct a marble run out of Play-Doh and the other materials you will receive in your Magical Academy kits. Though if you didn't sign up for a kit, that's okay. If you have Play-Doh at home, and you can do this same project that we're going to do now. So if you have your kits, feel free to assemble your ingredients. So first of all, you're going to need Play-Doh. You guys are going to get 2 little tubs of Crayola dough in your kits. So I'm just going to use one for today. I'm going to make a small labyrinth, but you guys can make a really big one. You're also going to get a white tray and a marble. The marble we're going to save until later. So to start off making your labyrinth, you are going to empty out your Play-Doh. Easier said than done. There we go. And I like to smoosh it up in my hands, make it nice and pliable. And then take off a little bit of Play-Doh. I just dropped some on the floor. Oops, it's okay. And roll it in your hands. All right. And you want to make it kind of long and skinny, but not super flat because you want it to have kind of high sides when you put down your Play-Doh. So this is kind of what we're going for. I've got my tray and I've got my Play-Doh and I'm going to smoosh it down while pinching the middle. See if I can get that closer to the camera and show you what I'm doing. So I'm smooshing it down onto the board and also pinching the middle to create a kind of a wall because we want our marble to be able to go through the maze, but we want our maze to also stick to our tray. So after a little bit more smooshing and pinching, I have one line. I've got a lot more to do, but it's all going to be the same procedure. You get your Play-Doh, you create a line, and then you smoosh it down and pinch it down until you have a wall stuck down on your tray. And then you just keep going. If you want to draw out a maze design on your tray, you can do that. You might want to practice on a piece of paper or maybe even tape the piece of paper to the tray. The tray is nice because the marble has less of a chance of falling out because the tray has kind of high sides. So if you want to pre-trace your design for your maze, you don't have to. I'm not. I'm just kind of doing this and making it up as I go along. But you can pre-trace it if you want to, and that might make this all go a little bit faster since you will have a design in mind right from the beginning. So why are we making labyrinths and why are we calling a maze a labyrinth? Because it is Mythology Week and the myth of the Minotaur involves a labyrinth. Do any of you guys know what a Minotaur is? Have you ever heard of him? Well, a Minotaur is a creature from Greek mythology. He was said to be a monster that had the head of a bull and the body of a man, and he was grumpy. Let's put it that way. He would lie in wait at the end of a labyrinth, a very, very elaborate maze. And every year, young people from Greece would try and defeat the Minotaur. And every year, young people from Greece would fail because the Minotaur was a very fierce opponent. And that's even if they made it through the labyrinth. The labyrinth was very confusing and it had lots of booby traps. So we're recreating that today with our Play-Doh. So I'm just adding little areas and divots where the marble could get stuck. I just want to make this a little bit hard for myself, not too hard, but a little bit hard to make it more challenging, to make this more fun. One thing you could do is if you've got a friend or a brother or a sister with you is that you could have them each design their own labyrinth, their own maze, and then you each try to race through it. This is another thing that could be cool if you're not seeing your friends in person right now, but you're able to see them over Zoom or over Skype or over FaceTime, is that you could kind of describe a maze, one person to the other, sort of design a maze at your house and then describe the maze that you've designed to your friend and see if they can recreate it at their house. And that's a cool way to kind of spend time together and play together, even if you can't physically be in the same room right now. Okay, so I've got my labyrinth basically all done. When you're making it, you're going to want to have 2 holes in the side of your labyrinth, one to enter through, one to exit through. So I've got an entrance here and an exit here, and I've got some pitfalls here for my marble to get stuck in, and a big one going down there. So let's see how I did. Okay. Oh, I already trapped myself. Hold on, let me just tilt, and I'm stuck in another trap. I might have overestimated my own skill at this. I might have made this too hard for me, but let's see. All right, I just need to tilt. Oh no. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. Just gonna down a little bit, and then a little, aha! My marble has successfully escaped my labyrinth. So that's it. The cool thing about doing this with Play-Doh is that when you're done, it cleans up really easily. It all just kind of comes back together in a ball, and then your plate is completely clear, and you can just start all over again with a brand new labyrinth. And like I said, you guys are going to have 2 cans of this, so you can make really big, really exciting labyrinths for your marble run. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a lot of fun using our mythology kits. And if you don't have a mythology kit, I hope you're able to recreate this at home using things you have around your house. Until next time, guys, bye.